Hey, you ever work on your car and you think, man, I got to fix this, and you never do, and you kind of put it off, Well, today is that day. I got to fix something that I really freaking don't want to do. Let me show you. Okay, if you notice right there, my steering shaft is touching my exhaust. I tried beating it and doing that, but after moving around, I was not able to get it enough space. So let's take that out and fix it. Hey, so I finally got it done. I fixed that exhaust. I'm really happy with that. Now it's done. Now I just have to wrap it, which I'll get some more wrap and take care of that. And then all that's done. It was rubbing against that shaft, so I had to fix it. It's one of those things that just had to be done, so I did it. Anyway, click like and follow.